Along the Yangtze River Delta's G60 Sci-Tech Corridor, just 1 kilometer from Jiaxing's transport hub, lies CHINT Electrical East China Industrial Base, specializing in integrated low and medium voltage power systems. This facility combines CHINT's end-to-end technical expertise with local industrial strengths to create a smart factory, where advanced automation, digital intelligence, and eco-friendly practices work in sync. High-end manufacturing thrives here. Its secret lies in adaptive manufacturing. Standardized steel plates transform into customized components through intelligent production lines. AI-guided robotic welding arms adjust micron-level precision by cross-referencing 3D model libraries, while integrated copper busbar systems perform real-time quality checks during fabrication. Even the air itself is engineered. Assembly zones maintain strict cleanliness standards, allowing the production of space-saving equipment capable of thriving in extreme environments. Backing it all is a CNA's accredited test center, where each generation of smarter, cleaner products takes shape. What truly sets this factory apart is its digital intelligence system. CHINT's smart platforms drive efficiency from start to finish. Custom-built software transforms client requirements into 3D modular designs, executed by precision manufacturing systems. Supplier networks ensure consistent material quality, while intelligent scheduling enables near-autonomous production. Self-driving robots streamline logistics, effectively cutting energy use. Every product carries eco-conscious DNA, with life cycle tracking embedding low-carbon practices into each process. At the core, our industrial IoT platform connects smart technologies into market-driven solutions, where innovation meets sustainability. This is more than a factory, it's a living blueprint for responsible industry. Rooftop photovoltaic, real-time emissions monitoring, and circular waste protocols turn byproducts into resources. At CHINT, we don't just build factories, we engineer futures. Where boundaries fade, innovation soars.